Hey folks, Greasy Triple here. I want to let you know something. Yesterday my iPhone wouldn't charge, so I went into the end here where the charging port is at. It goes in, and I had got pocket fuzz in there, basically like belly button fuzz in the phone. So what I went and used is toothbrush, and I also grabbed a toothpick and picked in there gently. You don't want to use anything metal, because it's a metal connection inside there with the battery, of course. So that cleaned that up, that made that work. But then after that, my phone didn't want to make noises like on the clicks of the keypad and stuff like that. It wouldn't work. If somebody called me, it wouldn't ring. If they text me, it wouldn't jingle. You know, stuff like that. It drove me nuts. I went through everything. I did the reset. I did hard reset and went double checked, triple checked. It drove me nuts all night long. I didn't know what was going on. Now, I took it out of the case as well to clean the screen and double check things and clean the end of that a little more. So while doing that, apparently I didn't realize that on the side here there's a little button that clicks either way, and it's got a little orange line on it, and apparently I tapped it the wrong way and caused it to be in silent mode, and I did not know that. But once I put that back into place, I was automatically tested it by giving a phone call, and it worked, and I could hear my clicks. And that's that. So maybe if your phone's not clicking and getting notification alerts, sounds, check the side of your phone. Look for that little button on the side. See if that's it. I hope that helps you. Take care.